Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new 2021 Grand Design Imagine 2250 RK. Single slide out, kitchen in the back, queen bed up front, great couples camper. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, remember to watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a quick clip with the slide out in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. And always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe, that bell. The bell will give you a heads up when new campers go on. Be the first ones to see new colors, decors, options. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. Alright, starting on the inside. Pass through bathroom to the bedroom. Theater seating directly across from the TV area. Tons of countertop space, great kitchen area in the back. Starting there, you'll see the nice large oven, flush mount cover, 3-burner range. Does act as a splash guard when that is up. Exhaust for your range, large microwave, tons of storage, nice accented cabinetry, cubby holes with receptacles, sink cover, nice large stainless steel sink, extend spray head, lights throughout, tons of storage down low with cubby holes for trash cans and deep drawers. Exhaust fan here as well, motion sensor lighting. When you come in, you've got your one-touch control Compass Connect, so again, sync your phone to that, control your lights, holding tanks, slide outs, everything from one area. Your gas electric refrigerator. Again, nice storage, tons of deep pantry storage. The TV area, so TV in the down position. Gives you the window that does have blackout shades. And then a touch of a button, we're running right off the battery, 12 volt. You can put the TV up. Just as easy as that. And then be able to view that from directly across, sitting at the theater seats. And then when you don't need it, put it back down and you got the natural light. In that area, your stereo does have CD, AM, FM, DVD, Bluetooth, USB hookup. Fireplace does put out electric heat. More cubby holes. Again, directly across from the theater seating. Heat massage, LED lights, cup holders. The chairs do recline. People mention about eating. You have options for a booth dinette or a theater dinette. You do have a removable table. I'll show you that as well. There's that table at the lowest position, more like a coffee table height. And you can set it up 2 more notches to be at tabletop so you can eat at it. Cubby hole, storage, receptacles. Again, lots of overhead storage. The bathroom does have a solid door to close that off from the living area. Nice spot for towels, linens, retractable shower door, overhead skylight. Again, with the taller ceiling, I'm 6'5". I am not in the skylight, but I'm just over top of the rail and about eye level with the shower head. Nice storage. Again, trash can area, blackout roller shades, spot for your towel, plenty of room around the porcelain toilet, queen walk around bed, does have storage under it, another addition for 2021. Shelf here you can slide and move. Good place to store that table that goes in front of the theater seating outside. Shocks. Another door to close off the bedroom to the bathroom, and you've got your own door to come in and out of the bedroom. Lots of storage. Good hanging space. New to 2021, your cubby holes with charging and receptacles on both sides. Soft touch headboard has got night lights or spotlights for reading. You do have a prepped area for a TV on the wall. Another roof vent. Again, receptacles throughout. Your windows do open. You got your door, you could do your screen door, you can open the roof vent, get good cross breeze. Brand new in 2021, Grand Design Imagine 2250. We'll work our way outside and take a look there. All right, moving to the outside, you see the Imagine nice front cap, logo, LED lights, power tongue jack with the nice model number right on the tongue, so easy to find. Two 20-pound LP bottles in the cover. Spot for 2 batteries, but it does come with one. Pass-through storage. Nice thick storage doors. Magnetic latches. Wide open pass-through storage. Motion sensor lighting. Your docking area for your cable, your water hookup, your outside shower, battery disconnect, and you can feed everything right through the bottom here, so you can keep this door shut and well insulated. 2250 RK's got a dry weight of 5,662 pounds. Black tank flush, convenient light right next to your sewer area. Aluminum rims. We got the slide out in right now. With the rear kitchen, you do have 2 gray tanks, so attachment in both areas. You do have manual stabilizer jacks. Look down below in the description, I'll show you a video on those. You do have a spare tire mounted on the bumper. Exhaust for your range hood. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. There's the roof. You see your roof vents up front, TV antenna, AC, another roof vent. The little box on the left up there is the roof prep for the solar panel, and then top of your slide out. You are prepped for a backup camera. We are looking at a 30 amp service. On your door side, you do have 2 entry doors. The main entry door's got the step above entry steps. Fold right up, lock into place, nice and clean. You do have friction hinge on that door, so it stays wherever you like, but this one also has a magnet to hold it out of the way. Grand Design's 3-year limited structural warranty. Large assist handle with another large model number right on the door. Full power awning that covers both entry doors. LED lights. We do have outside speakers. Hookup outside for a TV. We do have a spray port on this side as well. Spray those steps or the pets off before you go in. Second entry door into the bedroom area. Another large assist handle. friction hinge. The other side of your pass-through storage, again with motion sensor lighting, very clean, receptacles, and slam latch doors. Brand new 2021 Grand Design Imagine 2250 RK. Remember, as promised, slide out in. Still have access to the bathroom. Even if someone was in here showering, you could still get in through the master bedroom door. But slide out in on the road, full access to the camper, refrigerator, bathroom, bedroom.